Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy. Today we're going to be making these beautiful Turkish eggs. So let's get started. Time for the knife work. We're going to take these 8 mint leaves and 2 dill fronds and
chop them up.
Let's gather the leaves together, roll them up tight, and chop them up. Helping me today, like always, will be my granddaughters, Guinevere and Arwen. And now for the dill. To 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, let's add
a teaspoon
of mint,
a teaspoon
of chopped up dill. Grate your garlic. Let's go ahead and give that a good stir. Season it with salt and pepper. We will need
a teaspoon
of paprika,
a teaspoon
cayenne pepper,
a teaspoon
of red chili pepper flakes. Stick of butter in. Stirring it constantly, your butter is going to turn brown like this. Let's add those spices. Continue to stir and cook for 1 minute. Pan off the heat, set it to the side. Gently crack 2 eggs into your ramekin. Pan on.
Medium heat.
Once you have your water at a simmer, gently place your eggs in the water and cook for 3.5 minutes. Time is up. Take your eggs out using a slotted spoon. Time to plate this delicious dish. Put down about 1/2 cup of your room temperature yogurt. Gently put your poached eggs onto the yogurt. Drizzle it with that spicy brown butter sauce. Garnish it with a little bit of the dill and a little bit of the mint. Butter and get your toast ready. Now it's time to take a bite of this savory, rich breakfast. It's hard to beat a yolk like that. Thanks for coming, everybody, and as always,
like and subscribe.